You're now viewing the installation guide for the 2006 to 2010 Honda Civic Sedan taillights. Please make sure you have all the tools shown here before you proceed with the installation. Let's begin by opening the trunk. Now remove the plastic trunk molding. Remove the 5mm Allen bolt as you see me doing here. In the rear wheel well, you will find 3 Phillips head screws. Let's remove them now. And remove a Phillips head screw. Carefully tug on the sides of the rear bumper to detach it from the car body. Now we can access the two 10mm nuts you see here. Let's go ahead and remove them now. Back in the trunk, remove 3 plastic clips you see here. Pull the liner aside so we can access the back of the taillight. Now we can remove 4 8mm nuts attaching the taillight to the chassis. Remove the taillight harness by taking each of the light sockets out. Now we can remove the factory taillight. Here, we will remove the metal brackets from the factory taillight and transfer them onto our new taillights. After we place your new taillight in the stock location, we can replace everything in reverse order of removal. Moving on to the trunk lid, remove the 10mm bolt you see here. In this following clip, you will see the locations of the white plastic clips holding the chrome trim onto the trunk lid. Push the clips through using needle nose pliers. Then remove the chrome trim. Remove taillight harness. Now remove 4 8mm nuts. Now we can remove the stock tail light. Then transfer the plastic clip, as you see here, over onto your new tail light. Now replace all the parts and hardware in reverse order. Please make sure to check all electrical connections and light function before taking your car back on the road. Thank you for choosing Specdtuning videos to assist you. Please visit specdtuning.com for more products.